So when this flowers, or when the mind flowers or consciousness flowers, there's a whole universe with a you in it. Things to do, things to go, things to get, things to attain. There's a whole universe existing out of things. When mind flowers, when consciousness dances, there is this dance of duality, a you, things to attain, things to reach. And this flowering is just innocently, effortlessly, spontaneously happening. There's no you separated from this flowering, from this dance of duality. It simply arises and it simply dissolves on its own, in its own. And when it dissolves in its own, on its own, there's nothing. Not even a flower, not even a mind, nor consciousness. There's no way to escape. There's no way to escape this innocent dance of duality, as there's no you apart from it, able to get away from it. What seems to be happening is the identification with that so-called flowering. When that is dropped, what is left is just this, innocently dancing on its own. No need to control it, no need to get away from it, no need to make it stop, no need to make it go. Trying to make it go or trying to stop only arises when there's a sense of self in this dance of separation. The sense of it's me, it's about me, I am the center. When that is not happening, there's nothing to do. It doesn't mean that things cannot be done. That going to a store, buying grocery will not happen anymore. Anything is exactly as it is, but the seeking yourself or the identifying with the flowering is not happening anymore. Just the naked directness of whatever seems to be happening. Duality dancing innocently, effortlessly on its own. There's no need to stop this dance. This dance will stop on its own. It started already on its own innocently. There was already no you from the get-go to make this start. It started just simply, innocently, out of nothing, out of nowhere, and it dissolves into nothing. And of course we can hear all these beautiful statements that you are that in which duality ends. And although that may be very comforting, even that will go, even the belief that this dance of duality is arising out of what you really are and dissolving into what you really are, even that will go. And what is left is nothing. and not even nothing.